Why does sample size matter in baseball statistics? Have you ever wondered why some baseball statistics seem to change dramatically over the course of a season? The answer often lies in the concept of sample size. Sample size matters in baseball statistics because it directly impacts how reliable and accurate the data is when evaluating a player's true skill level. When the sample size is small, such as a limited number of games or plate appearances, the statistics can be heavily influenced by random chance or luck. This means that a player's performance might not truly reflect their consistent ability. For instance, if a player has a few great games, it might look like they are on fire, but that could just be a short-term fluctuation. One important idea to understand is regression to the mean. This means that extreme performances, whether very good or very poor, tend to move closer to the player's average as more data is collected. For example, if a hitter starts the season with an unusually high batting average, that average will likely decline toward their true talent level as the season continues and more at-bats are added. Different baseball statistics requiring different sample sizes to become stable and meaningful. Power metrics like home runs usually need a few hundred plate appearances before they accurately reflected a player's true power hitting ability. This is because home runs are relatively rare events and can vary widely among players. In contrast, some plate discipline metrics, like the percentage of swings at pitches inside the strike zone, can stabilize with fewer pitches, sometimes as low as 40 to 70 pitches. This is because these behaviors are more consistent and less affected by random variation. Statistical techniques such as split-half reliability testing help determine the minimum sample size needed for a metric to be considered dependable. This involves comparing subsets of data to see if the metric produces consistent results across samples. If it does, that indicates the data reflects skill rather than random noise. Understanding the importance of sample size helps analysts, coaches, and fans avoid overreacting to short-term performance trends. It allows for a better assessment of player talent over time. This knowledge also guides decision-making in player evaluation, scouting, and strategy by indicating when a statistic is stable enough to be trusted. In essence, sample size matters in baseball statistics because it ensures that the data accurately represents a player's true abilities rather than temporary fluctuations. This leads to more informed and reliable analysis of players, both past and present.